Hello, everyone. Today, I want to demonstrate what our article generator tool does. We can choose the template from the Flow Library tab and select the article generator option. This tool generates optimized web page content based on a specific keyword you provide. It will take your input keyword, such as affiliate software, and analyze top-ranking web pages for that keyword. Then, it generates comprehensive content that mirrors the structure and quality of those top pages, ensuring it's optimized and ready to be published. This tool can help many employees quickly create SEO-friendly content for their websites, making their lives easier. There's a full video on how you can make this flow for your own linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.